Hello, I'm just here with a quick flip through of my completed black and white journal. So I'm really excited. She is completed. And this is my project, my maze project for Tracie Fox Creative, for my design team project for Tracie. And the kits I've used: How to Botanical, Fancy Forest, black and white butterflies, black and white fussy cut flowers, number snip strips, and Notelets set 1 and 2. So I'll leave a list down below of all those so that you can go and check those out. And also, if you're the one that ends up purchasing this, you may well want to go and have a look at these and buy 1 or 2 to then completely finish the journal off. So I am excited. I've thoroughly enjoyed this one. It's been lovely to do something a bit different. So here she is. I've just done a tie with some lovely lace. It's a loose tie, so it's easy to get into it. So we did the cover together on camera, and I collaged the front and back. Look at these, all the gorgeous. We've got the fox there and little hedgehog there. So I collaged it, and then I put one of my sewn tags, one of my round tags, with some old vintage lace on there and some lovely lace ribbon, and a couple of tickets from Tracie's kits. And then this was a piece from an old sari I put on the spine. I've edged it with some nice pretty lace. I'm not one for using a lot of lace, but I just thought it would really pretty this one up by using a bit of lace. Okay, so love that butterfly on there. Absolutely love it. Now it is a tuck, and I did find there was a little thing I wanted to put in there. It says countryside, so I've left that as a little tuck spot. And I'm going to put that little ticket in there, countryside. So there's 4 signatures, and I didn't want to make it too chunky so that it would be, you know, unmanageable. But there is plenty in it, I think. But I've tried to keep it as flat as I could. Each signature's got its own little black bulb pin and little white bell on it. And I've also used some of my altered paper clips with black and white fabric ribbons on there. So each signature's got a little doily at the front. This is one of the clusters, so I did a video making these. A pocket here. Nice journaling card and one of the lovely butterflies. I made some tabs as well on camera out of the kits. And also throughout it I've done odd little quotes or little bits of writing, a few thoughts in black and white pen. So I used the Posca pen for that. Some vellum there which I've left plain, thought that was nice. It's just showing the beautiful botanicals from the other page. So we've got a flip here, plenty of space for writing. Really you didn't need to add any more ephemera or whatever. If you just wanted to, you know, use it as a writing journal, there's plenty of space. Another one of the clusters made as a little edging. This is from Weathered Stone, so I didn't mention Weathered Stone kit, but there's a few elements from that as well. Again, beautiful piece, botanicals, and I think they look stunning in black and white. I mean, they are beautiful in colour, but black and white, you can really see the images pop. Again, another edge cluster. These tabs turned out really nice. I'm really pleased with those. Just used it out of scraps from the kits. I've got a lovely journaling card here, bit of collage on there. I think we made those on camera. Put the paper clip on. Piece of vellum with another cluster. There's an assortment of papers in here as well. Some are thickish card, some are like this is graph paper, and then some white, black paper intermingled in there. This is a little side tuck with a little lovely little journaling card that I cut out of the pages. Another journaling card that's clipped on the top there with a black and white ribbon, and that is, so they're only small signatures. I didn't want to be over full. Then we've got a small part of the doily there. I've put some of the tags in here as tuck spots, so this is actually fastened down, but it's just got a little tuck spot at the top. Birds and bees and beautiful trees. I've also little odd snippets to tie in the fabric, scraps that were, you know, that I cut off. Just put them on here, there, and everywhere, just how I fancied. This is from the these edgings. I used 3, you know, a strip of 3 from the number and text strips. Another one of the side clusters. Again, we've got some vellum in here and some of the again, the number strips. Really versatile, the number strips, because you can you know, you can cut them horizontal or vertical depending what look you're wanting. Again, we've got a lovely flip up with this gorgeous botanical image, and there's a little pocket in there as well, so you could tuck something in there. One of the clusters. These tabs really decorate the edge of the page nicely. Some of the old adverts out of the kits. Here we've got a wraparound, so I've wrapped it around the page, so plenty of secret journaling you could do in there. And then I've put a ribbon at the top and one at the side. Graph paper. I leave these on because I just love the scrappy edgings that, you know, you don't want it all to be perfect and all look the same. I just like these edgings where you tear them out the book. Middle page of this second signature. More graph paper there. Right. We've got a tag there, and then one of these. I've left them quite thin so you can write on the back, so it didn't overbulk this one. And these are what I mean by just putting little scrappy pieces on where I felt done a few split pages, which I like that look. Lead look. One of the clusters, one of the larger ones we did. Another one there with some music, vellum, some black paper there, with some number strips down, lovely image of the fox there, and on here I've got a little side tuck spot with a little itty bitty paper in there of a flower to write on, and this lovely bunny looking after it. Here I've written some verse, some thoughts down there about nature, and I've clipped in a journaling card. That's the end of the second signature. Third signature. These are really pretty doilies. I thought these went with the botanical theme really well. They're so pretty, intricate. Again, another one of these tags that's a tuck spot. And again, say I've left these holy bits. Here I've cut up some of the pages, and look at that, I love that one. So they've a good mix of black and white. Here I made a cluster with just some little scrappy edgings, and I've made it into a pocket, so we can put that little butterfly ticket in there. Again, back to the vellum. You can see through this lovely botanical. And then here again we've got a little pocket in there and a flip up. And on the back there I've got another journaling card clipped on. So much fun. I had so much fun writing with that white pen. One of the tickets here. Got a couple of tickets there. Another one of the clusters. Again, we're middle page with all the beautiful florals. Here we've got a flip up with some of the number strips. Again, one of the lovely images with the rabbit on. I've put, "Come little rabbit, come with me, happy we will be." We used to sing that in guides. "Come little rabbit, come with me, happy we will be." Just fond memories. One of the side pockets with one of the lovely tags. Again, one of the clusters. So the clusters have not really added bulk. I did them quite flat for this, so it's not really added too much bulk. Again, one of the tabs that we made. Again, vellum. At this time looking through on those butterflies. Number edging strip down there. And then here, just used a little scrap to make a little tuck spot with, put some little tickets in for whoever gets it to use. And this is the last page of the third signature. And then we're into the last signature, and again another pretty edge doily there from Moustache. Again, we've got a lovely journaling card, little journaling ticket that goes inside this big tag. It's made a pocket. Another one of the little bells. I really like the mix of the black, the white and the graph paper. I think it makes it a bit more interesting. We managed to catch that lady on this this tab. She's having a look at all those flowers in the garden. Again, a flip up there. It has got a little pocket in there to keep bits in. Lovely deer on here, one of the corner pockets, and then some little bits of tickets in there. Little flip up with that ticket. As you can see, loads and loads of space still to make this your own, to do some journaling or, you know, using some other bits of the kit to put your own things in. Some little tickets that can be used anywhere. And again, we've got I made this when we did the journal cards with some collage. Here we've got one of the larger slow stitch clusters that we made. Again here, I'm back to the middle. So they've all got the same middle page with this because I just thought it was so beautiful. I've put one in the middle of every signature. Gorgeous. Here we've got a little pocket. It's got a little butterfly tag in there. Here we've got another pocket and one of the large tags there. I did some layering up of some elements from the kit as well. I had to put that one in. Look, that's so cute. So I've got a little pocket there. I've just got peeking out, having a look round one of the clusters. Again, you can see through the vellum onto the other side. So I purposely didn't put anything on this vellum because I thought, well, when it's there, you can see that butterfly, and then when you turn it over, you can have a glimpse of that, the botanicals that's under there. And here, what I've done here is we've got one of the clusters, and I've just stuck it down at the bottom to make it fastening. So this is a lovely tuck spot. You can write under there, but then it just nicely fits behind that cluster. Stop it flapping around. And then this beautiful pattern doily at the back of the signature. And then again, I've used some of the kit, the faded elements of it to line the back cover. Another one of the corner pocket journaling cards that I made. I did some stamping on that, and then another one of these gorgeous big tags that just slots in there. And then we're back to these lovely guys on the back. So hope you've enjoyed that little mini series this month for this black and white journal. I've had fun because I did a small black and white project, didn't I, in April, and continued that theme on again for May. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to keep a lookout for next month's design team project for Tracie Fox Creative. I haven't quite decided. She's just sent us another new kit, so I'll get my thinking cap on and see what lovely gorgeousness we can make next month. So thank you so much for joining me. This will go in my shop soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed watching me make this, and it also helps me to keep going with the channel. And take care out there. Bye for now.